My name is Keri Reeves, and I'm an associate attorney here at Borshchak Law Group. I moved to Columbus, Ohio for law school, and what I found here in Columbus was a place that I love. I found family, I found belonging, I found an amazing legal community that I am excited to be a part of. There were a lot of moments as a teacher that made me decide that I wanted to practice in family law. I taught high school English for a couple of years, and all of my students had some sort of home life issue. As a teacher, they could come to me and I could be a listening ear for them, but there was never really any action that I could take on their behalf. I had students who had issues with the law. I had students who were kicked out of their house, who were adopted and randomly found out digging through a drawer. All of these issues, again, that I could only do so much to help them with. So I decided to become a lawyer to advocate for people in the same type of situations as my students. A skill that has translated over into being a lawyer was my ability to listen. When we have people who come into our office, they have life situations that are difficult, and a lot of times they just need a listening ear. And as a teacher, I was able to be that listening ear for my students, and now I'm able to be that listening ear for my clients. Sometimes just coming into the office, having a simple consult, a simple conversation with an attorney is so beneficial. Typically, when a person has a situation like this is the first time that they're encountering a divorce, a dissolution, a custody issue. There's all of these questions, these concerns. They don't know what direction to go. The easiest way to feel comfortable and knowing that there's a plan that you can follow and there's someone who is going to be on your side is to come into an attorney's office, sit down, have a conversation, and see what you need to do after that. I definitely get personal satisfaction out of my job. There are so many situations which I am able to be a help. When a client comes and they have this issue, whether it be custody, they haven't seen their children in a while, or their child got removed from school and they weren't supposed to. Anything that I can do to help them resolve that issue is always such a joy. And when I'm able to deliver good news to a client, because in our line of work, you typically don't get a lot of good news. So being able to deliver that good news is something that is fantastic. If I was going to tell a client something before they came into the office for the first time, it would be to breathe. It can be so stressful and so daunting even to walk in the front doors, but we do this every single day, and we are prepared and we are ready to assist them in whatever need that they may have, and we're able to provide that calm. That's one of the things that I love to do, is to be that steady, that calm, that rational, level-headed balance to a person who is dealing with an emotional situation. So take a breath, trust your attorneys, and it's all gonna be okay.